And today is Cookie's birthday. Her birthday. Look. This is my birthday party. Where is the cake? So I'm making a secret of cake. This one right here. She's dumb. Look at me. Do 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 do. Yes, the dog food. Let's fix it.
I-champurado ha.
Okay. Here, carefully, carefully place it here. And done. So look at this cake. Make this cake for your dog. It looks like this with a chew doggy bone. This one, read the title. Okay. We're gonna sing happy birthday. Happy birthday, Cookie. Happy birthday, Cookie. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy
Yan lang muna.
birthday, Cookie. Oh, nadulas! Sit down. No, you're gonna spill. No, you're Get the doggy bone. She likes the doggy bone and she will eat this later after she chew her doggy bone. You're the best at this side. Guys, I have a flashback where Cookie fell down. The floor is wet because my Lola is mopping it right now. And then after that, she jumped, but she slipped down and said, "Oh!" And then she landed in my foot, but I don't care. These are the Coog. Are you done eating your doggy bone? No, look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her chewing. Those sharp teeth. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Oh wow, your teeth. You even eat it. So bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.